Welcome to Super Agents in ClickUp, where AI-powered agents help you and your team bring order to the chaos of triaging tasks and requests. And in this video today, we'll walk you through examples of triaging agents that you can build yourself in ClickUp, inspiring you to create agents that make triaging faster, smarter, and less stressful for your team. Now, before I show you what I've created, let me share a great tip for getting started. In the Super Agent Builder menu, you'll find our Super Agent catalog. If you scroll down to the task management grouping, you'll find a Triage New Tasks Super Agent that you can use. With just one click, you can launch the builder and get a head start on building the triage agent that is ideal for you and your team. Simply answer a few questions, and in minutes, your super agent is ready to go. Our super agent is now ready. This approach lets you quickly set up a powerful triage agent. But don't worry, as your needs evolve, you can easily adapt and expand it to look like one of the specialized agents I'm going to walk you through today. Ready to see a few examples? Let's dive in. Let's start with this duplicate detector agent. Nothing tends to frustrate me more than realizing I've spent time on a task that already exists. Well, this agent is designed to solve that exact issue. Let's head to my project intake list now. This agent is triggered by automation. So whenever a new task is created in this list, the agent is automatically launched, scanning for similar or duplicate tasks and flagging any matches for review. As we hop into this task, you'll see on the right-hand side that this agent has flagged a potential duplicate and has prompted me to review. From here, I can decide how to move forward. We're going to mark this one as closed and proceed in the existing task. But catching duplicates is just one part of effective triage. Just as important is catching tasks that are missing key information. We want to catch this before it causes delays. That's where my missing info notifier agent comes in. To ensure we have all the information needed to kick off a project, I bring in this agent into the task comments. With a simple tag or assignment, it gets to work. This agent is actively scanning the task for gaps. Once it's done, it will outline what it's found or not found. And as you can see, we're actually missing key information about success metrics and risks. We'll need to capture this before we can proceed. At this point, my projects have been reviewed for duplicates and checked for missing information. Now, it's time to make sure each task is owned by the best person. I've built an assignment recommender agent to help me do so. This agent analyzes new tasks and suggests the most suitable person to assign it to, considering both my team's expertise and current workload. I simply assign the task to my agent. The agent analyzes the task and recommends the best person to assign it to. When we hop into the task, you'll see that the agent has recommended Devin as the assignee, since his expertise lies in projects that involve customer-facing improvements. I can review the agent's recommendation and assign the task to Devin with confidence. These are just a few examples of triage-focused super agents you can create to streamline incoming requests. Let super agents handle the details, so you can direct your energy towards meaningful progress. See you next time.